Whether you're building furniture, crafting cabinetry, or just obsessed with precision, these 14 professional woodworking power tools will elevate your game. From planers to routers, we've got the gear that pros swear by. Let's dive in. Number 1. Looking to transform rough lumber into silky smooth boards? The Jet 13-inch benchtop planer is your go-to powerhouse. With a helical-style cutter head featuring 6 rows of 26 quick-change steel inserts, it delivers whisper-quiet operation and glassy finishes. Its precision-machined cast iron bed keeps boards flat while reducing snipe, so your cuts stay clean from start to finish. The 4-post design ensures rock-solid cutter head support, and the 2 HP, 15-amp motor spins at a blazing 10,000 RPM for effortless planing. You'll love the adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables. They level perfectly to the bed and fold away to save space. With a 13-inch width capacity, 6-inch depth, and 1/8-inch maximum cut, it's built for serious stock removal. Plus, the adjustable depth stop makes repetitive cuts consistent and easy. Whether you're prepping hardwood or fine-tuning soft pine, this planer brings precision, power, and peace of mind to your workshop. Number 2. Meet the Bosch Perfactor 18-volt 8 to 1/4-inch portable table saw, where workshop-grade power meets job site mobility. Engineered with bi-turbo brushless technology, this beast delivers a corded-like 5,500 RPM performance using high-power Core 18-volt batteries. Whether you're ripping sheet goods or slicing through 2 times lumber, its 25-inch right-of-blade capacity handles it all with ease. The rack and pinion fence system ensures pinpoint accuracy, no more tapping or nudging to get your cuts aligned. Built for pros on the move, its rugged single-hand carry design makes transport effortless without sacrificing durability. This saw isn't just portable, it's a full-fledged powerhouse that brings precision and performance wherever you go. From framing to finish work, the Bosch Perfactor table saw is your mobile cutting station, ready to deliver clean, consistent results every time. If you want true freedom without compromising on capability, this is the saw that makes it happen. Number 3. Need power, precision, and portability in one sleek package? The Makita HBT10-inch compound miter saw delivers all that and more. With a robust 15-amp motor pushing up to 5,000 RPM, it slices through tough lumber like butter. Perfect for framing, trim work, and fine woodworking. Its large 10-inch table offers solid material support, while the vise clamping system keeps your workpiece locked in for safe, accurate cuts. Thumb-actuated positive stops make miter adjustments fast and frustration-free. Weighing just 24.2 pounds, this saw is incredibly easy to carry and store, making it ideal for both shop and job site use. The 0 to 52 degrees miter range and 0 to 45 degrees bevel capacity give you the flexibility to tackle compound angles with confidence. Whether you're crafting furniture or cutting baseboards, the Makita HBT miter saw combines muscle and finesse to make every cut count. It's the pro's choice for precision on the move. Number 4. Say hello to precision cutting with the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Jigsaw. Built for control, comfort, and clean results. Its brushless motor delivers up to 3,200 strokes per minute, giving you efficient performance and longer runtime for demanding jobs. The compact design fits comfortably in your hand, offering maximum grip and maneuverability for intricate curves and plunge cuts. A bright LED lights up your workspace, while the integrated dust blower keeps your line of sight clear, so every cut stays accurate. With a variable speed trigger and dial, you're in full control of your cutting pace. Need to swap blades? The all-metal, lever-action keyless system makes it fast and tool-free. Plus, the 4-position orbital action lets you fine-tune cut quality and speed based on your material. Whether you're working on cabinetry, trim, or DIY art, this jigsaw is your go-to for smooth, confident cuts every time. Number 5. Take your woodworking to the next level with the SKIL router table and 10-amp fixed base router kit, a precision-packed combo built for makers who demand control and convenience. The router table features above-the-table adjustment, integrated bit storage, and 2 feather boards for clean, accurate routing. Its aluminum miter gauge slot and router clamp makes setup fast and frustration-free. Paired with a 10-amp, 2.0 HP router, you get smooth, powerful performance from start to finish, plus soft start and speed control for total command. A live tool indicator keeps safety front and center. The 24-inch fence with adjustable MDF faceplates handles taller workpieces with ease. And with a die-cast motor housing and ergonomic handles, comfort meets durability. Whether you're shaping edges or crafting joinery, this kit delivers pro-level results without the pro-level hassle. SKIL makes precision easy, so you can focus on creating. Number 6. Precision meets portability with the DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless router, designed for woodworkers who want freedom without sacrificing control. This compact powerhouse features a variable speed dial, letting you match the speed to your material for flawless results. The depth adjustment ring makes height changes quick and easy, so you stay in the flow of your project. Dual LED lights illuminate your work surface, giving you crystal clear visibility even in dim conditions. Its soft start motor ensures smooth operation from the first touch, while full-time electronic feedback keeps your speed consistent throughout every cut. And when you're done, the electronic brake kicks in to stop the motor faster, boosting safety and efficiency. Whether you're trimming edges, cutting grooves, or adding decorative profiles, this cordless router gives you the precision of a corded tool with the freedom to move. Lightweight, powerful, and smart, DeWalt puts control right in your hands. Number 7. Meet the DeWalt 20V Max Orbital Sander, your go-to tool for smooth, professional finishes without the cord. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers extended runtime and consistent performance to tackle even the toughest sanding jobs. With variable speed control ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, you can fine-tune the speed to match any surface or application. Its low-profile design brings you closer to your workpiece for precision sanding, while the replaceable 8-hole hook-and-loop pad makes switching sandpaper fast and hassle-free. The dust-sealed switch protects against debris, extending the life of your tool, and the one-handed locking dust bag keeps cleanup simple. Plus, the texturized rubber grip ensures comfort and control during long sessions. Whether you're refinishing furniture, prepping surfaces, or smoothing edges, this cordless sander combines power, finesse, and convenience, making it a must-have for DIYers and pros alike. Sand smarter, not harder, with DeWalt. Number 8. Say goodbye to hoses, gas, and noisy compressors. The Makita HBT18V multi-volt compact cordless brad nailer kit brings freedom and precision to your finish work. Powered by a mechanical spring, this lightweight 5.5 pounds tool drives 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8 inch to 2 inch with ease. With no ramp-up time between shots, you get instant response and smooth workflow. The included 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery delivers up to 700 nails per charge, and the built-in fuel gauge keeps you informed. Its low center height lets you maneuver into tight spaces, while the bright LED light ensures visibility in dim corners. Need to adjust depth? It's tool-free and fast. Just dial it in and keep moving. Whether you're installing trim, molding, or cabinetry, this cordless brad nailer offers pro-level performance without the bulk. Quiet, compact, and ready to go, Makita HBT makes finish work feel effortless. Number 9. Meet the Ingresol Rand 315 Straight Line Air Sander, your go-to tool for heavy-duty surface prep and smoothing. With a powerful twin-piston motor delivering 3,000 strokes per minute, this sander tackles tough jobs with consistent, smooth performance. The large 2.75-inch by 17.5-inch pad covers more surface area, making it ideal for leveling body filler, prepping panels, or smoothing wood and metal. Quick-action paper clamps make switching sandpaper fast and frustration-free, while the dual-handle design minimizes vibration for better control and comfort. Built to last, its rugged construction stands up to demanding shop environments and high-intensity use. The lever throttle reduces palm fatigue, letting you work longer without strain. Whether you're in auto body repair, woodworking, or industrial finishing, this air-powered sander delivers precision, durability, and ease. It's not just a tool, it's a workhorse that helps you finish strong every time. Number 10. Precision meets power with the Bosch 18-volt brushless biscuit joiner, a cordless game-changer for cabinetry and furniture making. Its high-efficiency brushless motor slices through hardwoods effortlessly, extending runtime and boosting productivity. With tool-free depth adjustment up to 0.87 inches, you'll craft strong, accurate joints with ease. The adjustable fence locks in at 5 key angles: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, giving you unmatched versatility across projects. Switching between number 0, number 10, and number 20 biscuit sizes is a breeze thanks to the intuitive depth selection knob. Say goodbye to messy workspaces. The integrated dust port pairs with the included bag or Bosch extractors for clean, debris-free cutting. Designed for comfort, its slim 6.14-inch grip and large auxiliary handle offer superior control during long sessions. Built tough with metal angle guides and a thin plate for narrow workpieces, this joiner is ready for precision, durability, and freedom. No cords, no compromise. Number 11. The Makita 18-volt LXD cordless 3 1/4-inch planer brings power and precision to your woodworking projects without the cord. Weighing just 7.4 pounds, it's built for maneuverability and control, yet packs a punch with a high-performance 14,000 RPM motor for rapid stock removal. Whether you're trimming doors, smoothing edges, or leveling surfaces, this planer delivers clean, consistent results. Its two-blade cutter head with double-edged carbide blades ensures a smooth finish and extended blade life. The click depth adjustment knob offers easy-to-read settings from 0" to 5/64 inch, giving you precise control over each pass. With the ability to plane up to 3 1/4 inch wide and 5/64 inch deep in a single sweep, it's ideal for both rough shaping and fine finishing. Powered by Makita's trusted 18-volt LXD battery system, this tool is perfect for pros and DIYers who demand speed, accuracy, and cordless convenience. Number 12. Meet the Bosch 12-volt Max EC brushless FlexiClick 5-in-1 drill driver system, a compact powerhouse built for ultimate versatility. Whether you're drilling, driving, or working in tight corners, this tool adapts to your needs with 5 smart attachments. The keyless chuck locks in for tough drilling tasks, while the locking bit holder secures hex bits for high-torque driving. Need to reach awkward angles? The right angle attachment rotates to 16 positions without removal, making tight spaces a breeze. Powered by a brushless EC motor, it delivers up to 300 inch-pounds of torque and speeds up to 1,750 RPM, all while maximizing battery life. With 2 included 2.0 Ah batteries, you're ready to tackle jobs all day long. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, this 5-in-1 system gives you precision, power, and flexibility in one sleek, portable package. Bosch makes every turn count. Number 13. Experience freedom and precision with the Makita HBT10 6-volt cordless plunge router, a lightweight powerhouse built for serious woodworking. Weighing just 6.9 pounds, it's easy to carry and reduces fatigue during long sessions, yet delivers blazing speeds from 11,000 to 25,000 RPM. With a cutting rate of over 46 feet per minute, it outpaces many corded models, making it perfect for fast, clean finish work. The toolless depth adjustment lets you dial in settings quickly, while the quick braking feature adds a layer of safety. This router features Makita HBT's ergonomic grip and a handle-mounted lock-on switch for comfort and control. A bright LED light keeps your workspace visible, even in low-light conditions. And with cordless convenience, you can use any Makita HBT 18V or 36V battery, or plug in with an AC adapter. Precision, speed, and mobility. Number 14. Meet the Bosch Perfactor 18V connected ready 7 to a 1/4-inch circular saw, where cordless freedom meets corded power. Designed for pros who demand precision and performance, this saw cuts through 2 times material with ease, thanks to its 2.5-inch cut capacity and wide 50 degrees bevel range. The biturbo brushless motor, paired with Core 18V batteries, delivers relentless speed and torque for tough jobs. Need quick stops between cuts? The electronic convenience brake has you covered, saving time and boosting safety. Whether you're framing, ripping, or beveling, the front bevel lock ensures fast, accurate angle adjustments. And with the ergonomic auxiliary handle, you get confident control in either hand. Plus, it's connected ready, so you can track and customize your tool with Bosch's app. Lightweight, powerful, and built to last, the Perfactor circular saw is your go-to for high-performance cutting without the cord. Cut smarter, work faster, build better.